I went to the supermarket. I went to the supermarket. I went to the supermarket. She saw a bird. She saw a bird. She saw a bird. We had lunch at noon. We had lunch at noon. We had lunch at noon. He came home late. He came home late. He came home late. She took the bus. She took the bus. She took the bus. I made a cake. I made a cake. I made a cake. She gave me a gift. She gave me a gift. She gave me a gift. He found a wallet. He found a wallet. He found a wallet. I met her at the park. I met her at the park. I met her at the park. I knew the answer. I knew the answer. I knew the answer. She got a new phone. She got a new phone. She got a new phone. He said hello. He said hello. He said hello. She told me a story. She told me a story. She told me a story. I thought about you. I thought about you. I thought about you. She left early. She left early. She left early. He called his mom. He called his mom. He called his mom. She used my pen. She used my pen. She used my pen. I worked yesterday. I worked yesterday. I worked yesterday. They played soccer. They played soccer. They played soccer. We watched a movie. We watched a movie. We watched a movie. He opened the door. He opened the door. He opened the door. I closed the window. I closed the window. I closed the window. She started the car. She started the car. She started the car. They stopped the game. They stopped the game. They stopped the game. I helped my friend. I helped my friend. I helped my friend. I walked to school. I walked to school. I walked to school. He lived in Spain. He lived in Spain. He lived in Spain. She liked the dress. She liked the dress. She liked the dress. We talked all night. We talked all night. We talked all night. I listened to music. I listened to music. I listened to music. They visited Paris. They visited Paris. They visited Paris. He ran fast. He ran fast. He ran fast. She cried a lot. She cried a lot. She cried a lot. They laughed together. They laughed together. They laughed together. I studied English. I studied English. I studied English. He drove to work. He drove to work. He drove to work. She ate a sandwich. She ate a sandwich. She ate a sandwich. We drank juice. We drank juice. We drank juice. I slept well. I slept well. I slept well. They built a house. They built a house. They built a house. He read a book yesterday. He read a book yesterday. He read a book yesterday. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. She bought a bag. She bought a bag. She bought a bag. He sold our car. He sold our car. He sold our car. They stood in line. They stood in line. They stood in line. He sat on the chair. He sat on the chair. He sat on the chair. I cut my finger. I cut my finger. I cut my finger. She broke the glass. She broke the glass. She broke the glass. He lost his keys. He lost his keys. He lost his keys. I won the game. I won the game. I won the game.